Very simple one, really. Just personal grooming and just keeping yourself well manicured and maintaining your clothes, like, polishing your shoes, cleaning those trainers, like little things kind of go like a long way, really. And if you're trying to kind of elevate style on a budget, then start slowly, just kind of like just buy a nice navy t-shirt or like a nice white shirt, look after it, and then just kind of like build up, I would say. You can build a wardrobe slowly over time. It might take like 10 years if you start out at 20. I've actually got ties in the back of that since I was 19 years old, and I could pull it out and it would look like it's brand new. So, these things might not come all at once, and you might not be able to kind of have a giant, beautiful wardrobe in one shot or 1 year. Like, for example, I've got clients that will buy maybe one suit a year, and I can think of a client that does that right now. And after 15 years of buying suits from me every year, he's got 15 beautiful suits, Whereas, like, if I'd have said to a lot of clients, like, hey, would you like to buy 15 suits? They wouldn't usually buy 15 suits in one shot. But over time now, he started coming to me when he was pretty young. He brought some of them back recently to me, but he went down a whole suit size. And I was ordering suits from 15 years ago, and they still look rather new to me as well. So maybe to the point there is, invest in quality as well, and quality tends to last.